Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Softr login issues, workspace and access errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login issues with Softr, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network. Next, open your browser and clear your cache and cookies. This can help resolve any potential conflicts or outdated data. Once you've cleared your cache, try accessing the Softr login page again. If you're still experiencing issues, check if you're using the correct email and password. Sometimes, a simple typing error can cause access problems. If you've forgotten your password, locate the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on this link and follow the instructions to reset your password. After resetting, try logging in again with your new password. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're attempting to log into the correct one. This is a common oversight that can lead to access errors. If you still can't log in, ensure there are no server issues on Softr's end by checking their status page or social media updates. Consider disabling browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. Extensions such as ad blockers or privacy tools can sometimes cause issues. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes block access to certain features or cause additional login complications. You can also try a different browser to see if that resolves the login issue. If you are still unable to access your account, contact Softr support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the issue and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This information will help them assist you more effectively. Follow these steps systematically, and you should be able to resolve your Softr login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.